Cars Jade, where precision meets passion, and every car tells a story. If you're over 35 and still get goosebumps when an engine purrs just right, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 SUVs older drivers love, with a spotlight on the latest and soon-to-launch models that blend comfort, class, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're prioritizing ease of access, superior visibility, or just a smooth, confident drive, this list was made with you in mind. Number 10. 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. The Toyota Grand Highlander isn't just a larger Highlander. It's a complete rethink for those who want spaciousness without the bulk of a full-size SUV. And with the hybrid option, it's surprisingly thrifty for its size. Under the hood, the Grand Highlander Hybrid Max pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, churning out a healthy 362 horsepower. Despite its power, it manages an estimated 27 mpg combined, making it efficient enough for daily driving and long hauls. Toyota loads this SUV with practical tech older drivers will appreciate. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a comprehensive suite of safety systems like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The cabin is mature, plush, and ergonomic. Number 9. 2025 Subaru Forester. Subaru's all-new Forester takes the brand's beloved formula: safety, simplicity, and all-weather confidence, and adds a fresh twist for 2025. Still running with its trusty 2.5-liter boxer engine, the Forester isn't about speed, it's about stability and balance. Symmetrical all-wheel drive keeps it planted in rain, snow, or gravel. The updated Forester introduces a new multimedia interface, larger displays, and the next-gen EyeSight Driver Assist suite. The system has improved pedestrian detection and smoother adaptive cruise control. With a taller greenhouse and exceptional visibility, the Forester continues to be one of the easiest SUVs to drive and park. Number 8. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. This isn't the Santa Fe you remember. The 2025 model ditches curves for boxy, Defender-like styling, and the result is an SUV that's both rugged and refined. The new turbocharged 2.5L engine delivers 277 horsepower, with hybrid variants offering around 34 mpg combined. There's plenty of torque for highway merging or light towing. Inside, Hyundai doesn't hold back. Dual 12.3-inch displays, hands-free smart tailgate, and highway driving assist that's one of the best in its class. The upright shape gives you an SUV with massive window space, high seating, and superb rearward visibility. Number 7. 2025 Honda CR-V. The CR-V has always been a favorite among retirees and experienced drivers for a reason, and the 2025 hybrid version doubles down on that legacy. It's not flashy, but the 2.0-liter hybrid engine provides smooth power and up to 40 mpg in the city. It's quiet, refined, and ready for the long haul. Honda doesn't overcomplicate things. You get simple tactile buttons, a clear digital instrument panel, and Honda sensing, now with enhanced traffic jam assist. The cabin is serene, with one of the best noise isolation setups in the segment. Number 6. 2025 Buick Enclave. Buick is reinventing itself, and the next-gen Enclave could be one of the quietest, most comfortable SUVs you can buy in 2025. Expect a new 2.5-liter turbo engine, or AV6 option with over 310 horsepower. Buick's focus is on a velvety ride, not 0 to 60 times. Anticipate an ultra-quiet cabin with active noise cancellation, plus GM's new Super Cruise semi-autonomous system in top trims. This is one of the few mid-size SUVs that feels like a luxury lounge. Soft-touch everything, wide doors, and standard captain's chairs make this ideal for long-distance cruising. Number 5. 2025 Ford Edge. Ford's turning the Edge into an all-electric crossover, and if it inherits the comfort-first DNA of its predecessor, it could be a game-changer for tech-savvy older drivers. Final specs are pending, but expect dual-motor AWD options and 300-plus miles of range. Instant torque makes highway on-ramps effortless. Expect Ford's Swansea 4A system with massive portrait touchscreen, plus over-the-air updates and Blue Cruise hands-free driving on highways. Ford is focusing on a flat floor and spacious cabin, likely making it one of the easiest EVs to get in and out of. Number 4. 2025 Lexus RX 500h. Lexus doesn't just build cars. They build rolling sanctuaries. The RX 500h is a masterclass in smooth power and executive serenity. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.4L turbo with electric motors for 366 horsepower, giving you strong acceleration with excellent fuel economy, around 27 mpg combined. Lexus interface software is intuitive, and you'll find ultra-luxury touches like head-up displays, panoramic view monitors, and even heated rear seats. The cabin is sculpted with comfort in mind. Low belt lines aid visibility, and the materials, suede, leather, real wood, elevate every touchpoint. Number 3. 2025 Volvo XC60. Volvo's plug-in hybrid XC60 is for those who want luxury, safety, and a conscience, all in one Scandinavian package. The T8 Recharge offers 455 horsepower and plug-in electric range up to 35 miles, meaning many local trips can be gas-free. Volvo's Google-integrated infotainment is seamless, while Pilot Assist helps with semi-autonomous highway driving. Clean lines, supportive seats, and the best air filtration system in the industry make the XC60 a wellness pod on wheels. Number 2. 2025 Genesis GV70. Genesis has disrupted luxury, and the GV70 Electrified is a quiet revolution. Dual motors deliver 429 horsepower, and with boost mode, you get instant torque that shames most gas engines. Range: a solid 236 miles, but it charges 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes. Ultra-luxe touches like a 3D digital cluster, massaging seats, and advanced driver aids make it feel twice its price. High-quality cabin materials, wide-opening doors, and a ride smoother than a jazz playlist make the GV70 a standout. Number 1. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The king has returned, and it's smaller, smarter, and more in tune with modern drivers than ever before. The new Land Cruiser runs a 2.4L turbo hybrid powertrain with 326 horsepower and serious off-road cred. It's no longer about brute strength, it's about versatile durability. It finally gets modern tech, big screens, trail cams, and Toyota's full safety suite, while staying simple enough for anyone to learn fast. Shorter than before but still boxy, bold, and high-seated. The upright posture and supportive seating make this a perfect SUV for aging knees and bad backs. So there you have it. 10 SUVs that speak directly to the needs of experienced drivers, whether you're looking for comfort, visibility, tech, or just a reliable companion for life's next chapter? What do you look for in an SUV as a seasoned driver? Drop a comment, hit that like button if you found your next ride, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Jade for more expert insights on today's most talked about cars. Until next time, drive smart and drive something you love.